It is the 29th of July 2026 and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about an AI model dispute. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, la FIFA quiere vender partes del Mundial. The FIFA wants to sell parts of the World Cup. Next, UEFA critica el plan de la FIFA. UEFA criticizes FIFA's plan. And, los tokens de IA pueden medir el uso. AI tokens can measure the use. And now, today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. La administración Trump means the Trump administration. Acusa means accuses. A Moonshot AI names the company. De usar means of using. Un modelo de Anthropic means an anthropic model. The pattern here is acusa a then de plus the verb, a very common Spanish way to report an accusation. La administración acusa a Moonshot AI. The administration accuses Moonshot AI. Acusa. The action word from today's headline is the present tense of acusar. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Moonshot AI usa un modelo de Anthropic. Moonshot AI uses an Anthropic model. Usa is the little action word here, and it tells us what the company does. More examples in the lesson sheet. El caso abre dudas sobre la ley y la seguridad nacional. The case opens doubts about the law and national security. Seguridad. Security is the key public word in this story. La empresa hace su modelo nuevo. The company makes its new model. Modelo. Model is a basic tech word that appears again and again in news. Moonshot AI no responde. Moonshot AI does not answer. Today's word is responde. Say it with me. Responde. The final vowel sound is clear and light. Now for the pattern of the day. Yo uso. Tú usas. Él usa. Nosotros usamos. Vosotros usáis. Ellos usan. The headline uses the él, ella form usa. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What does the administration say Moonshot AI did? Is it A. Usó un modelo? ¿Vendió un plan? Or C. ¿Compró una empresa? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.